Folks, today I want to talk about how you can leverage mobile payments with growth with top players in the digital payment industry. Now, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way businesses have been operating for a long time now. Social distancing has become a priority to contain the spread of the deadly COVID-19 virus. This has also seen a change in the way people carry out business transaction. Contactless or digital payments have become the most preferred option for safety concerns given its convenience. And this mode of payment is likely to stay with us since it also saves time. According to recent Entrust Data Card survey, 75% of those familiar with digital payment cards now prefer these as their primary payment mode. Sanitation, 70%, speed, 67% are the top reasons cited by the responders. Overall, 83% of responders believe digital payments are here to stay, and 61% think it's the least somewhat of a priority to have a contactless feature on their credit or debit card. A survey of more than 11,000 consumers in 11 countries found a major uptick in the adoption of digital payments. The U.S. saw the largest rise with 46% of Americans utilizing this form of payment, up from 38% a year ago. That's huge. So now let's talk about my favorite stocks that'll benefit from the digital payment revolution happening right now. First stock is Square, ticker symbol SQ. Over the past several years, Square's products have evolved from a way for merchants to accept credit card using their mobile phones into a large-scale small business and individual financial ecosystem. The company now processes card payments at an annualized rate of over $100 billion. And it's got a thriving small business lending platform, Square Capital. I think PayPal's going in that direction too. And it started to gain serious traction with larger merchants in addition to its core small business clientele. Two big parts of Square's businesses are especially exciting. First, it's Cash App, with 24 million monthly active users heading into 2020 and virtually unlimited potential to build out its consumer financial service offering. Second is Square Online Store, the new but rapidly growing platform that helps Square merchants build out an omni-channel presence. It also facilitates curbside pickup. That's great, which could be a major growth catalyst in the post-COVID-19 world. 5-year revenue return, 454%. 5-year earnings growth, 115%. 3-year revenue growth, 440%. Even earnings per share versus previous quarter to this quarter, 89% uptick. 12 strong buy recommendations ensures that plenty of institutions will be accumulating shares over the next few quarters. Relative strength remains sharp, and I'm expecting more upside till COVID-19 is contained that, according to World Health officials, won't happen till 2022. The second stock on my short list is PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. I told you I was going to talk about PayPal. It is the undisputed leader, the king, the champ in online payments, but it's so much more than that. For one thing, its Venmo person-to-person payment platform has emerged as an industry leader and continues to grow its massive user base at a breathtaking pace. PayPal has also been acquiring complementary businesses such as e-commerce tool Honey and has been building up partnerships that could greatly expand its addressable market. Get this, PayPal has over 325 million active accounts. CEO Dan Schulman believes that the company can grow this figure to $1 billion in the not-too-distant future. The COVID-19 pandemic could even help accelerate PayPal's growth as more people are choosing to shop online and send money to friends and family electronically. That's what I was talking about. The stock's got 25 strong buy recommendations, 4 quarters of positive earnings estimates, 5-year return of almost 500%, 5-year revenue growth 121%, 5-year earnings growth 160%, and one of the best relative strengths of any large cap stocks, tech or not. What's great about PayPal is the fact that they're turning into a more diversified company instead of maintaining the one-trick pony business model. This should help increase stabilization and profit margin in the coming years, and I'm expecting the company to potentially get into banking in the coming years. There, I've said it. Keep your eye for more upside from PayPal in the coming months, and I hope that helps. Folks, your life could quite literally change forever. And it's all thanks to Chuck's, a 10-time trading champion, newest trading breakthrough, Trophy Trades. In the last month alone, you could have had massive winnings by purchasing two $4.50 options on DocuSign. A simple $900 investment, nothing crazy, and walked away with $15,350. Or how about this? Two options on Adobe for $1.80, nothing wild, walked away with $12,734. Folks, that's just the beginning of what the Trophy Trade system can do for you and your portfolio. Click on the link below to get the details of this trading system before it's too late. Do it now.